Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Okay, so see in last session we have seen how we can use that how we can use effect with condition, right? That we have seen in last session, and I think everyone got that what I was telling and what I wanted to tell. Okay, so today we'll last session that with condition it's done. Okay, now we'll see how we can do that with using props, means by using props how we can work with use effect. Okay, that we'll see in today's session. So let's go with code. Okay, so one more thing, if you're new to our channel, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. It will not take more time to like and subscribe. Okay, just like and subscribe. Okay, so let's start now. So you can see here already I have done all the coding. Just I will explain because already I have done this. You can see here I have created one functional component, that is use effect props, and one more component I have created, that is user props. Okay, so in use effect props what I have done, you can see here same whatever in last session we have done that. Already see I have imported the use state and use effect. Okay, you can see here. Then next I have taken two states, that is data and count. So the initial value of data is 0 and the initial value of count is 0. Same. Then next in return what I have done, I have taken two buttons, that is update data and update count. With that I have taken the functions, you can see that is event handler. I have taken handle change and handle change one. Okay, so you can see handle change and handle change one, these two functions. So here what I am doing, here I'm incrementing the value of data and same incrementing the value of count. Okay, so this same will do two I will take here. So as you know guys that initial value of data will be 0, that okay, initial value will be the 0. Next, whenever we will increment here, update means increment, it will jump here and it will increment by 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, like that. Okay, and set data means it will update the value. Okay, but one thing you can see here we are not printing anything. Okay, here we are not printing anything, so that we are doing in this user props. Okay, but how we are passing the values, how we are passing the, you can see here I have printed that count and data, right, as the props. So how we are passing that? So for that what I have done, already I have created here user props one component, that is functional component. Okay, and this component I am importing here. You can see here I have imported that user props. Okay, then in this component I am passing same whatever the increment is happening, that I am passing here. You can see here data, data props, count props, and here I am passing count. Okay, so updated value I am getting here in data and count, so that I am passing as a prop to user props. You getting guys what I am doing here? I am incrementing value and I am passing that to one more component, that is user component, means component inside component it is. Okay, so from one component to another component, how we can pass the value, that we can pass that by using props, that I wanted to tell today. Okay, so you can see here I have passed these two values, that is data and count, as a prop to user props. Then in user props what I am doing, you can see here I'm taking that values in props, means in props what it is, what will be there in props, there will be data and count. Okay, data and count will be there in props, remember. Then next, this prop I'm printing here. You can see here count props means props dot count, and data props means props dot data. Okay, here you can use destructuring also. Okay, that also you can do by using destructuring. Already I told how to do destructuring and all. Okay, so if you do this destructuring, this props dot will get disappear, only count will come and only data will come. Okay, but right now I'll explain with props only, so it will be easy for you guys to understand, right? Okay, so okay, here I'm taking as the props, then here I'm printing. Then this for right now what I will do, I will comment this for right now. Okay, so let's check the output what it will be whenever I will increment here, whether I can see this. So that will check now. Okay, so I'll go in output here. Okay, so refresh this. Okay, so okay, you can see here I'm updating. Okay, I'm updating data. You can see here it is incrementing. My data is incremented. Data props rate 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Then update count. See, it is incrementing by 2 because we are incrementing in code, that is by 2. So it is also incrementing by 2. This is working fine, right? Means whatever I'm passing counting, that is, it is correctly passing to user props, and here it is printing, that is, here it is printing correctly. Okay, now I want to use this prop. By using this prop I want to do something. Okay, so that we'll see here. This I will uncomment. Okay, you can see here. See, when data will get increment, when means increment in the sense when the here change will happen, that time this will work, because here you can see here I'm using props.data, means this function will work with this props.data. Okay, let's check now. For count it should not work, for data only it should work. Okay, so I'll clear this. You can see I'm doing counting. Okay, you check here console, there is nothing in console. Okay, same I'll do update. I will update the data. You see in console here I'm getting something. Okay, because it is working on props data. Okay, for this it is working props dot data. Okay, now what I will do, I will comment this and I will uncomment this. Okay, and here I will remove, for right now I'll remove this. Later I'll tell you what it is. Okay, so it is done. Now what I'm doing, when count is increasing, then this should work, this use effect should work. That will check now. Okay, so what I will do, I will clear this all. See, for update nothing is happening, right? That is correct. Then for count, you see here props is working, count prop, right? So it is working correct. Means for props my use effect, this use effect is working, and for update data this is working. So both I will do uncomment now. Both I'll do in comment. Now for data, the data will work. For count, count will work. Let's check whether it will work or not. Okay. See, for data, data prop is working. For count, count prop is working. Means both are working fine. No issue. Okay. See, one more thing. If you, I'll comment this for right now. See, for props dot count and for data count, for both it should work. This should work. Count props. So for that, what I have to do, just copy this, paste it here. Means now this will work for both props, that is count props and data props. Okay, so let's check now. So I'm incrementing the data. You can see in console it is incrementing. I'm incrementing the count. You can see in console here number is increasing. See, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So it is working fine for both. So like this you can use the props and you can work with your application. Okay, so I hope you got like how to use props and all, because actually I had got one question also, like how to use props in real time and all. Okay, so like this also you can use in your application. Instead of this, here you can call the APIs and all, with the database also you can do. Okay, so that also we will see how we will connect the data to any application. For example, you are storing for example form. Okay, you're storing data in form, and that we need to store in database. That also we'll check one by one. I will show that also how to do that. Okay, so this is about props now, means how we can pass the props to another component, and how we can import this component, and how this will work. I mean, component inside component, how it will work. Okay, so that we have seen today. So I hope you got how the prop will work. uh, if you have any question, then please guys comment in comment box. And guys, if you are new to our channel, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, and our target is to make 5k family as soon as possible. So guys, please subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much everyone, guys. Keep supporting, guys. Thank you.